Welcome, Sharon Otaguro, your business advisor with Inspiration Management. And this month's article for August is about achieving financial freedom for your medical spa. Now, we just hosted a great webinar called Financial Freedom, Your Path to Profitability and Growth. Many people attended and loved it, and we wanted to provide you with a summary of what we discussed. So in case you missed it, you can watch on YouTube. Financial health is the cornerstone of any successful business, and this holds particularly true for medical spa owners. In a field where services range from aesthetic treatments to wellness programs, managing finances efficiently can make the difference between thriving and merely surviving. Watch as we discuss financial strategies from budgeting, forecasting, cash flow, management, compensation, product cost analysis, and operational efficiencies. All of these can help you maintain healthy and profitable business. So let's talk about the importance of financial management. There are 6 essential strategies that we will discuss, and effective management is essential for sustaining and growing your medical spa. It enables you to make informed decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and prepare for future growth. Poor financial management, on the other hand, can lead to cash shortages, inability to pay the team or suppliers, and ultimately business failure. Here's an overview of the critical 6 aspects of financial management for you as a medical spa owner. The first is budgeting. It is the foundation of your financial health. A well-planned budget is the foundation for stability. It helps you monitor income and expenses, ensures that your spending aligns with your revenue. And here are some tips to create an effective budget. First, list all sources of income, including services, product sales, memberships, and any other revenue streams. Then, track all of those expenses so that you can categorize them into fixed or variable costs, from your rent and salaries to your supplies and marketing. And then third, set monthly financial goals so that you can forecast in the short term and the long term and achieve your objectives. Fourth, regularly review and adjust your budget, comparing the actual performance against the budget, and make any necessary adjustments as you continue along. The next strategy is forecasting. So after budgeting, you need to make sure that you plan for the future. And financial forecasting involves predicting future revenues and your expenses based on historical data, market trends, and business plans. Accurate forecasting helps you anticipate the challenges and opportunities and allows for proactive management. To improve your forecasting, first, analyze past performance. Review historical financial data to identify patterns and trends. Then consider what are the market conditions. Stay informed about industry trends and economic factors that could impact your business. Then use the forecasting tools such as forecasting and budgeting that we offer at MedSpa Biz University, and implement the software solutions that can assist you with accurate predictions. Next, have regular updates. Continuously update your forecast as new data becomes available and stay on top of your finances. The third strategy is cash flow management, keeping your business liquid. Now, cash flow management is critical to ensuring that your business can meet its obligations without disruptions. Positive cash flow means more money is coming in than is going out. Allow yourself to cover your expenses, invest in growth, and handle unexpected costs. This is a key strategy for maintaining cash flow. Start with monitoring your cash regularly. Keep a close eye on what comes in and what goes out. Then optimize the payment terms. Always negotiate favorable terms with your suppliers, and also enforce timely payments from your clients. Controlling expenses is also critical, so identify areas where costs can be reduced without compromising service quality. And always maintain a cash reserve. Set aside funds for emergencies to avoid cash shortages. The fourth strategy is compensation, attracting and retaining talent. Compensation is a significant expense for medical spas, but it's also an investment in your most valuable asset, your team. Competitive and performance-based compensation, such as the VPG model on MedSpa University, helps attract and retain top talent, which is crucial for delivering high-quality services. Compensation is a significant expense for medical spas, but it's also an investment in your most valuable asset, your team. Competitive and performance-based compensation, such as the VPG model on MedSpa University, helps attract and retain top talent, which is crucial for developing and delivering high-quality services. To develop an effective compensation strategy, first benchmark your salaries. Research industry standards to ensure your pay rates are competitive. Next, have incentive programs. Implementing performance-based incentives to motivate the team and align their goals with business objectives is critical. Third, create a benefits package that offers comprehensive benefits, including perhaps health insurance, retirement plans, and professional development opportunities for your clinical and business growth of your team. Fourth, review your team regularly. Conduct monthly performance reviews to ensure success and growth. Our next strategy is product cost analysis. You need to maximize your profit. And understanding the cost of your products, both that you sell and the services you offer, is essential for maintaining healthy profit margins. Product cost analysis involves examining all costs associated with acquiring, storing, and selling products. And here are some tips to maximize your profit. First, calculate the true cost, including all direct and indirect costs in your analysis. Second, negotiate with suppliers to seek better terms for bulk discounts or reducing cost. Third, optimize your inventory, maintaining optimal levels to ensure overstocking or stockouts. Fourth, adjust your pricing to ensure that your pricing strategy reflects the value provided and covers all your costs. And our next strategy is operational efficiencies, streamlining process. So operational efficiency means doing more with less time, less effort, less cost. And by streamlining your process, you can reduce waste, increase productivity, and improve the overall guest experience. Some key steps to enhance your efficiency include automating your tasks. Think of all the tasks that you do over and over again and use technology to automate anything that's repetitive, such as scheduling and billing. Next, standardize procedures. Develop SOPs to ensure consistency and efficiency by writing down step-by-step process. Then train the team. Provide ongoing training to improve the skills and efficiency. And don't forget role-playing, everyone. Then measure your performance, regularly assessing the effectiveness of your process and make any necessary improvements. Now, all these 6 strategies, why does financial management matter? Well, effective management is not just about keeping your books in order. It's also about setting your business up for long-term success. And by implementing sound financial practices, you can enhance your profitability, have better financial decisions leading to increased profits. You can reduce your costs. Being proactive in your management helps you identify and mitigate financial risks. You can also improve your decision making. Having accurate financial data enables you to make informed strategic decisions. And it supports growth. So financial stability provides the foundation needed for you to expand your business. Now, to help you gain financial freedom, we created a program to help you set up the proper foundation, the proper financial management and reporting systems, and our FMRP is a monthly financial reporting program that will provide you with financial clarity for your medical spa. Monthly, you'll receive financial reports, income statements, so your profit and loss, a balance sheet, and a cash flow statement, and so much more. There's no guessing if your business is healthy or not. We'll help you by mastering your budgeting, your forecasting, your cash flow, your compensation, your product cost analysis, and help you with operational efficiencies. And you can create a robust financial foundation for your business. Remember, the goal is not just to survive, but to thrive in a competitive world of medical aesthetics. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business flourish. Embrace the journey to financial freedom and witness the transformative aspect it can have on your spa. Financial well-being is not just a goal, it's a continuous process of improvement, adaptation, and growth. Take control of your finances and pave the way to a prosperous future. Receive a complimentary financial assessment, and let's discuss your path to financial success in your future. We're offering 15 sessions only during the month of August, so register now and reserve your spot. If you need help, reach out, and until next time, stay inspired.